So hello my dear lovely students, how are you? How to translate these sentences? Do you wanna know? Please stay tuned and make sure subscribe this channel, share, like and comments. Dear students, how to translate these sentences? Can you translate? अमित को तमीज नहीं थी. अमित को तमीज नहीं थी. अमित Amit had no manner. Amit had no manner. How to speak? Amit had no manner. Amit had no manner. Repeat with me. Amit had no manner. Amit को तमीज sorry. Amit को तमीज थी. Amit had manner. Okay. Amit को तमीज नहीं थी. Amit had no manner. No manner. Amit had no manner. उनके 4 पुत्र थे. They or he or she. So I put it here in the place of subject he. He had four sons. He had 4 sons. उनके 4 पुत्र नहीं थे. He had not 4 sons. He had not 4 sons. Amit had manner. Repeat with me. Amit had manner. Amit had no manner. He had 4 sons. He had not 4 sons. Do you want to know the structure of these sentences? How do I translate these sentences? Please stay tuned. Look at the board, the structure of these sentences. I have translated these sentences with the use of had. Use of had. Is it visible? Okay. Use of had. The structure of affirmative or simple statements. First of all, subject had and then object. Negative statement, subject had plus no or not plus object. Clear? I have translated these sentences with the help of use of had. Clear? You can also translate. If I now give you some examples that you have to translate. First one, राधा को बुखार था. How to speak this sentence? राधा को बुखार था. You can translate it with this structure. Affirmative statement. Radha had fever. राधा को बुखार नहीं था. Radha had no fever. Clear? Now some more examples that you have to translate. Let us practice some more examples. मेरे पास एक साइकिल थी. I had a bicycle. उसके पास बाइक थी. He had a bike. उसके पास 2 बाइक थी. He had 2 bikes. Clear? So you can use had when someone had something in past time. How was this video? Please comment down below. Bye bye. Have a nice day.